Let's talk about sentences. To make your writing really good, you need good sentences. So, what are the sentence pieces or clauses? We also call them independent clause, but I like to just call it the sentence piece. But you need a subject and a verb in each sentence piece. So, what are these clauses or pieces? Look at this sentence here. So, the first one is many students learn to speak fluently. The second one, they often do not have enough skills in writing. And the third, because it can be intimidating. See how there are three different pieces? Now, does each one have a subject and a verb? We have many students learn. That's a complete independent clause. They do not have. So that's another clause. It can be intimidating. So those are our three clauses, our three pieces. If we had only what's highlighted in red, they could be their own sentences, but we've put them together. We also have some connecting words, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. So let's look at an example sentence here. We have some sentence pieces, and they're all stuck together with a comma. Many students learn to speak fluently, comma, they often do not have enough skills in writing, comma, it can be intimidating. That's not okay. We can't just string it together with a comma. To fix this, we could put a period. We could just have separate sentences with periods between them. That's better. But the best way to do it is to use some connecting words, like while many students learn to speak fluently, comma, they often do not have enough skills in writing because it can be intimidating. This is probably the best approach because it makes your writing smooth. So, to conclude, good sentences need two things. Each piece or clause should be separated by a period or a connecting word. And number two, you need to use a variety of simple sentences and compound sentences. Let me show you what I mean. So a simple sentence is just one piece or independent clause. We say, like, speaking is fun, one subject, one verb. Or we can have a compound sentence, which is two of them joined together with a connector. Speaking is fun, but writing can be tricky. Or we can have a complex sentence. We can say speaking is fun, but writing can be tricky because it involves more rigid grammar rules. So let's keep talking about this in my other videos.